This trick's called the Iceberg stall, and it looks like this. So that is going to be a back of the hand stall with a responsive counterweight yo-yo. You can use any responsive counterweight yo-yo you want and any counterweight. But basically what we're going to be doing is throwing a breakaway and then catching it palm down. Now, normally you'll catch it palm up, but in this case, you want to catch it palm down, fingers down. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to have this little counterweight being held in your back fingers, and you're holding the yo-yos kind of on the side of the yo-yo. You're holding it like this. So again, toss, palm down, you're catching onto both sides. And then what you're going to do is you're going to let go of that counterweight. And because of the way that we're holding it, it should unwind from the bottom and then go over the top. And when we do that, we're going to let go of the yo-yo and then try to stall it on the back of our hand. So it's going to be resting on your middle finger is where I like to catch it. It's okay if you catch it on your knuckle, the back of your hand, or you can even catch it right on both fingers. But for me, the goal is for the string to go between these two pointer finger, middle finger, and for the yo-yo itself to actually be sitting on my ring finger. So I'm going to try to show you that again. Now, in this case, just to kind of point it out, it laid it on my knuckle. Totally fine. Still counts. So you'll notice that when I'm doing that catch, I am releasing the yo-yo. It goes all the way around. And then the counterweight wants to stall down, which is nice. It doesn't keep unwinding. It usually does one full toss and it starts to slow down around this area. And all you have to do is focus on just trying to get your fingers in and then drop your hand with the yo-yo. If you played kendama or if you do contact juggling or anything like that, this is something you should already be familiar with, is the idea of like kind of sinking your hand. You know, just practice with anything if you want, but just try catching and sinking your hand with it, because obviously on the back of your knuckle, you're going to have a lot less ability to grab onto the yo-yo. So once you do that release and catch it on the back of your hand, you've got the counterweight just dangling here. There's a lot of stuff you can do, but for this trick, we're just going to go just back to getting the yo-yo back to our hand. So what you're going to do is you're going to toss the yo-yo up, grab the counterweight and pull down. And that's going to look like this. And catch. And that is the basic Iceberg stall. Now, what I usually like to do, just FYI, is bring my other hand in so that once I have that stall happening and I'm ready to pull up and throw the yo-yo again, instead of doing it all one-handed, I usually like to hop the yo-yo up, grab with this hand, and then this hand will interrupt the string, and I kind of end up throwing with this hand, and now I'm here. So I toss, grab,